Everybody, in this video we're going to go over third-party modules. Now, as we covered in the last video, the Python library can only cover so much functionality, so many use cases. We might have to rely on third-party modules to cover the rest. Now, what are third-party modules? These are modules developed by anyone, really. Like any average Joe can come in, develop their own module, and deploy it or upload it on GitHub, and really we use them to kind of cover the rest of the functionality that other modules don't have. So in this video, I kind of came up with the abstract objective of translating some text. I think that would be super cool, one language to another. So I checked, the first thing to do is to check the Python standard library, see if they offer anything like that, which I checked and they don't. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a third-party module to help us do it. Now we're going to go to this URL here, pypy.org, which has a list of all third-party modules. And oh wow, I'm here. And I don't know what we're looking for, but we want to translate, so let's just type in translate. Oh wow, neat. I'll just pick the first one. I mean, like, the version's 3.50, so probably means it's been around a while. So I can look through it right here, and I see that, well, I don't know, let's go through it. Oh, hey, look at this, uses a Python module, that's what we kind of want. Oh yeah, look at this, we kind of can translate from one language to another. That looks perfect for us, perfect for our use cases. So now it's time to install it. Now to install it, we're going to use something called pip3, which is going to be our Python 3 module installer. So you kind of notice right up here, we have like this pip install translate. So what we can do is kind of copy that. And now what we do is we actually install the module, so we have it on our computer. Because, right, like, I mean, we're going to import, what are we going to import? We're going to do, like, from translate, right? So if I try that, like, right here, like, like, doesn't know, oh, sorry. Well, let me copy the whole thing, right? If I import this, the Python's going to have no idea what we're talking about, right? Like, module not found. So let's install it. So what we do is we say pip3 install, and we go up here and translate. Now this says pip, but since we're using Python 3, we want to use pip3, and we do that. So enter this into your terminal command line and install it. And we're going to wait for it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. So, in the meantime, let's look through how to use this, right? So we have like a little description right here, and if you note that all these like third-party modules are hosted on GitHub, so you can like check out the source code if you want. What we're interested in is like this Python module. So look at this. I think this is like a cool snippet of code, and we can try to translate that. All right, and hey, we're done installing. How neat is that? So now I think we have to restart idle to make this work. So let's restart that. And all right, so I think we're good to go here. So let's import it. What was the command again? Yeah, to import this. Let's just try this cool example here. All right. So we from translate, we're importing translator, which I guess is their way of representing like a translation. And I guess we're just gonna copy the example, see if the example works. Alright, so I guess this translator, it'll go to ZH. I'm not exactly sure what that language is. Anyway, let's copy this next line right here. So we have this like translation. Okay. And I guess it took a little while. And let's just see like what the translation is. Alright, awesome. Translation. Cool. Alright, so we get the example there. Let's try some other stuff, right? So it looks like here, we kind of like use this like line right here, translator.translate. This is just my guess, so we can like type that back in and say, I don't know, let's try it out. Hi, my name is Mike. Oh man, all right, wow, that's my name in this language. Let's try a language that I might have some more familiarity with. Spanish. Let's see, SP. It might be, let's see, I don't know exactly what'll happen. Is that even the language code? Isn't it? It might be ES, right? Let's see. Codes. Let's look it up here. Control search for the language code here. Oh, I don't know. ES maybe. let's see. Let's try like some different code here. Okay, so like we change our translator. Now we do this. Hi, my name's Mike. Awesome. All right. So we're able to translate some text. You know, I started with this really high level objective goal. I want to translate text, and what it brought me to is this third-party library, installed it, and now I'm able to translate text. How cool is that? See you guys in the next video.